Riyad As-Salihin, The Gardens of the Righteous, by Imam Nawawi, produced by Respect Graduate School. Chapter 98, Praying 2 Units After Doing Wudu. Hadith number 559, narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Tahajjud 17. Sahih Muslim, Fadailu Sahaba 108. Abu Huraira, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said to Bilal, "Bilal, tell me, that action that you have done since entering Islam, which gives you the most reason to hope for. I heard the sound of your sandals ahead of me in the garden." He said, "I have done no action which gives me more reason to hope than that of never purifying myself at any time of the night or day, without then praying after that purification as much as is written for me to pray."